Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
What do you have on top of your head?
Your hair thing you have on your head. The hair you have.
Why do you need?
1, 2.
Why do you need that on your head? Why? And then, why do you need that on your head?
I don't know.
Good morning. See that face over there?
You're just not serious, man. You keep, it's like, yeah, you just.
Why does it become my problem?
You're having me studying, you just keep doing
Okay,
random
what
things.
is the effect of speed on stopping distance?
The effects of speed on stopping distance. By doubling your speed is going to take you double the amount of stopping distance. And it's double the destruction.
When you double your speed, it takes about 4 times as much distance to stop, and vehicle will have 4 times the destructive power.
So I passed my CDL general
Guess who
knowledge.
passed their CDL general knowledge? Whatever. He got to come back and do his
Air brakes.
Then he can get his permit. But he passed the general, so that was his 3rd time taking it, so he had to pass it.
That job was kicking me in the ass, man.
He had to pass it.
I have to come back to the air brakes.
Yeah. He's off today, but he works tonight, which I'm not looking forward to because I don't like to sleep alone.
I know.
I hate sleeping
Was you
alone.
playing my game, buddy?
That would probably be the first time he's working overnight. He's worked night before, but like late night, like 2 a.m. early morning.
Knowledge,
Here go our car. So I am not looking forward to sleeping alone. So he passed, and I'm excited for him because that means someone will be getting a promotion.
No, I have to get my air brakes and all that other first.
Yeah, but still, that's 1 step closer to your promotion. Babe, open the door. It's 1 step closer to more money. Yeah, more money. With 4 kids. With 4 kids, every little bit counts. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, what's good? Yo, I passed my general knowledge joke. The general knowledge, yeah, man. That joke is a beast, man.
He said that's a beast.
Yeah.
He's excited.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, he's excited.
Yeah.
He's telling his job. They were rooting for him to pass. So look at that big old grin on his face.
So I gotta come back from my air brakes though. She was like, "You want to take it now?" I said, "No, I want this to sink in first, and then I'm gonna come back to take the air brakes."
I see you guys around. Right here. Say bye. Say peace out.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Can I get a kiss? Oh.
Yeah,
Ooh,
because I asked her. I said, how many questions is it? She was like 25. She's like, it's not as hard as the general knowledge.
Is that a peace sign? Like, peace out?
That general knowledge kicked my ass, dog.
What happened?
They all hugged me and kissed me.
Because they've never seen their daddy leave for work so late in the evening.
It's like, why are they all hugging me?
Because to say goodbye and we miss you.
There's gonna be all sorts of craziness here.
No,
There are gonna be kids in my bed.
I'm calling at 8
Kids
o'clock.
all over the place.
Yeah.
Kids not going to bed at bedtime.
Yeah. What?
All kind of craziness, right?
And toys.
And toys all over the place.
And over the place.
My baby, I'm gonna mint you. Oh my gosh, I'm looking all sides so crazy. Hold on. So this is how I'm looking. Put my hair up into 2 pigtails.
Wait, let me lift you up.
So, yeah, my hair is in
Yeah, Mommy lift you up. Mommy
picture.
lift your hair. It's beautiful.
It's too hot for my hair to be done.
What the
Ew.
kids?
Oh my god.
I didn't do nothing. That was Jordan. He was just here.
Oh my gosh, babe.
What?
Oh my gosh.
I didn't do it.
If only you guys could smell that man.
Ew, I can.
I didn't do it.
All sorts of crazy. 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 Go ahead, ask me.
Excuse me.
Go
What is? What? How many coins is a toy?
How many coins?
Is a toy.
How many coins?
Is a toy. 2 toys.
First of all, it's not is. How many coins?
How many?
What's the proper word? Is singular.
Is
So you're talking about more than 1 coin. So how many coins are?
how many coins are? How many coins is a toy?
No. How the proper way to say it? How much does 1 toy, a toy, cost? How much does a toy cost? How much is the cost of a toy? No, that don't even sound right. Wait a minute. Go ahead. Just go with your
How much?
gibberish.
How much is a 2 toys cost?
How much does 2 toys cost? What kind of toy?
Like a bear and like a Shopkin cake.
Okay, a Shopkin with 12 in it.
No,
Cost.
just one.
Just the basket.
No, just one Shopkin.
They don't sell 1 Shopkin.
Why?
You have to ask the company.
Okay, just give me.
How much money do you have?
They have like a lot.
A lot?
No, it's my daughter's money.
It's your daughter's money.
Yes.
Go bring your daughter.
It's my.
Okay. So this is your daughter?
Yes.
Okay. How much money does she have?
A lot! Oh my goodness!
Excuse me, who are you yelling at? Let's try this again.
Okay.
How much money does your daughter have?
50 coins.
50 coins?
I didn't count.
50 pennies?
I didn't count.
You didn't count?
No.
Okay, so you want me to tell you how much a toy costs?
Yes. Just
Okay.
make up a number.
Just make up a number?
Yes.
What am I, in the business of making up numbers?
Like. Okay.
That thing is staring at me. It's creepy. Can you come and get your...
No. Only 1 toy. Hey! Only 1 toy.
Okay, you want to purchase 1 toy?
Yes.
Okay, this toy will run you 2 coins.
Okay.
Would you like a receipt?
Wait, I'm coming. And then you have to put it inside of here.
She's very
And
slick.
then you
Because she knows I won't play dollhouse
have
with
to
her, so she'll
put it
come
in
here.
here. And you have to put
Okay.
it in here. That where it belongs.
Is this Daddy piggyback?
Yeah.
Look at my husband's.
Piggy bank. A lot. And I put a lot of money in here too. See?
This is my husband's piggy bank.
And I'm
He has a lot of money, so it's too heavy then.
That's Daddy's money.
So this is the bank girl. My mom.
Back up a little bit. You're too close to the camera.
My mom.
I'm the banker.
Yeah. Who pays for my things.
Okay.
And I have one more thing. How much is...
Okay, alright. I see where this is going.
How much is a movie theater?
Take you and your picnic them. Take you and all of your picnic them and come out of my room.
No. How much is a movie theater?
I don't know. You might
Just
wanna
make up a number.
you might wanna take you and your picnic them and come out of my room.
Just make up
English?
a number.
Take your daughter and get out of my room. I know where this is going.
Make up a
And
number.
I am not entertaining it.
Make up a number.
Goodbye, Eliana.
No, I said
Goodbye, Destiny.
Okay, I'm coming.
Pack up your belongings, your children, and goodbye. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye. I'm not playing this no more. I'm just your coins then.
Eliana,
What?
Eliana,
What?
what do you have on top of your head?
Your hair thing you have on your head. The hair you have.
Why do you need?
1, 2.
Why do you need that on your head? Why? Eliana, why do you need that on your head?
I don't know.
Eliana,
What?
all you have to do is pull out your hair.
No.
It's the same length.
No.
No?
1, 2, 3.
Eliana,
Yeah.
that thing on top of your head is the same length as your real hair. You don't need that, baby.
No, I do.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.